world still stays. The moon keeps its watch through the silver haze. I look to the skies and I breathe out slow. Heaven keeps its promise in the tides below. If the stars go quiet, still you remain. Yeah. Oh, every dawn and dark, you speak the same. Heaven and earth may fade away, but your covenant stands through the night and day. What you have spoken will always stay. Jeremiah 31:35. Your light makes a way.